In today's episode we have some cable management, fresh coated rims, tire challenges, brake disc issues, but first we start with the installation of the engine. Now the engine is jacked up to the correct height and everything is going smooth, you run always into a problem. What will it be this time? There, the engine block, it fits inside the frame, but it's really tight, so it won't lower. What I'm trying to explain here, I want to make a center rod, but not from this piece because it's an engine bolt and I still need to use it, but from another piece of metal. And when I have the center rod, I want to put it in the frame and tap it with a hammer so the engine will center automatically using the center rod. Alright, made a tool. You see the point? Literally, you see the point. I'll smash it in and it should center the engine block. Look at that. Works great. Let's see at the other side. Perfect. Great job. If you want to do something, do it right. Here's stated an L from left side. This one has an R from right side. And what do? Put it the other way around. No, that's not so smart. I think this fits much better. And as gentle as I can be, I'm putting in the last engine bolt. Alright, engine block installed. I will show you. It's all fitted nicely. I didn't remove the pen, and the reason is I have no clue where this bolt is, so I ordered a new one. Now we can connect all the wiring. Put the carb inside. Mount all the cables on it, and continue building. Alright, installing the carb. It should be quite easy, but it has been a while since it's taking out, so let's see if I still know how to install it. And that means all the hoses, cables and so on. So now the carburetor is installed. I can continue connecting the choke cable and also the throttle cable. I think this is the throttle and this one should be mounted. I think it's from the oil pump, but I need to check that because right now I don't know. So if it's from the oil pump, and it has to be, otherwise I don't know what else. The two servo cables are over here. It's for the power valve. This is the servo, power valve is underneath. When you adjusting the throttle, the oil pump should be give more oil, so it has to be the oil pump. Otherwise I have no idea what else. So now we fit the throttle cable. And this could be interesting for those of you who are also fixing bikes but have no clue how to install the throttle cable. First you need to put on this part. So slide it over the cable. Then there's quite a big spring. It's also be slide it over. You have to press it together. Then you have a small plate that the cable won't get loose. Then you have, yeah, I don't know what the name of this thing is, but this will adjust the amount of air inside the engine. And the small plate has to be inserted correctly, otherwise it won't fit. Now it's all together, you see? And now it's just put it in the carburetor, tighten all the screws, and you're done. And that's how you fit a throttle cable in the carb. Well, in this carb. Now it's oil pump time. Behind this cover, the oil pump is the oil pump. Behind this piece of frame, there's a small caping, and the cable has to be fitted inside this one and mounted on the lever. And now we have to look what the best route is for the cable. Now the cable has to be installed around this lever, like, come on, like this. All right. And it works. I think I put some grease on it to prevent corrosion. And this is the oil, the hose from the oil pump through the carburetor. You have to fit it as well. Alright, as you can see, it's still loose. And the reason behind that is from the sprockets behind it. They're a little bit complicated to install. The engine has to turn a little bit, that all the teeth will fall into each other, and then if that's the case, then we can tighten it. That's why it's still loose. It's a punch item for the final check of the bike. And now it's finally time for the rims and tires. Coating the tires has taken a long time. I brought them at the factory around, let's say, August, and today, this day, I get them back, so quite happy. Did take a long time, but they are beautiful. I want to keep the bike's color combo exactly the same as it when rolled out of the factory. Even the wheels, still powder coated in that high gloss white, factory fresh vibes all the way. And honestly, I am amazed how it turned out. It looks brand new and ready for a fresh set of tires. Speaking about tires, let's put them on. How difficult can it be? First step, put some grease on the tires, otherwise you never get them over the rims. As a newborn as I can be, I wasn't able to get the tire over the rim myself, but luckily the 70-year-old highly experienced workshop owner was willing to teach us and give us a hand. Let's enjoy the moment.
Deze misschien een stuk uit een andere hoor.
Ja, is ook een inschrijving.
Dat is altijd met die voorbanden.
Ja, niet bijna. Heel niet wel goed. Staat er allemaal? Denk het.
Ziet er professioneel uit. Dat je al op de band hebt.
Oké.
Niet dat je straks een mooie zilveren streep op hebt, hè?
Mooi zo. Ja, ik denk. Hier omhoog. Dan pak je mee.
Doe je draaien? Ja, dat heb je vaker gedaan.
Ja, dat moet je weten, hè?
Ja. And even with all the experienced help we can get, it still wasn't easy. But look at the result, totally worth it. Now it's time for the next phase, assembling the wheels with the brake discs and bearings. But first we have to clean them. Due to the powder coating process, holes of the bearings, there's some residue of the tape and also some flakes of powder coat. So we need to grind it away. Also for where the disc brakes is installed. There's also some residues from the powder coating process. We need to clean that up, because if you leave that on, your disc will starting to wobble. So we can't have that. So we need to clean it. So they're nice, clean. Holes are nice, without any sharp edges. All the mounting point of the disc are cleaned. Oh, I still see a spot. Now we can install the bearings and also the brake disc. So let's continue. The original one, the thickness was quite okay. It's not too thin. Actually, it's quite good. But I did sandblast the center part of the brake disc because I want to recoat it. And yeah, unfortunately, they sandblasted it too far on the disc, so you can't use it anymore. That's why I ordered a new one. This one. So also, yeah, it's a new one, so the thickness is always alright. It's a floating disc. Normally on this bike it doesn't have one, but I don't think that will matter. And yeah, let's install it. I hope it fits. Think so. I ordered it for this bike. So let's see. Well, the mounting holes are correct. So I think this shouldn't be a problem. Behind the scenes I installed the brake disc and the bearings on both wheels. Check out the result of the front wheel, looking clean. And with that, this day comes to an end. Next time we will installing the wheels and plenty more.